Hey guys, if you're getting a slow download speed on your Mac computer, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can speed up your connection. So what you need to do is come over to the Wi-Fi symbol in the top navigation, and from here select Network Preferences. Then make sure you have your Wi-Fi connection selected and click on the Advanced button at the bottom. Click on the Hardware tab, and you need to change Configure from Automatically, and we're going to set this to Manually. Change the MTU from Standard to Custom, and for this number in here, you just need to type in 1453, and then you can press OK to save the changes. You then need to press Apply at the bottom here, and you can now test your connection to see if that's improved the download speeds. If you're still getting a slow connection, then come back over to the Advanced tab, click on DNS, and in the DNS servers, we're going to press this plus button like so, and you're just going to type in 8.8.8.8 and hit enter, and then come back over to the plus icon, and this time type in 8.8.4.4 and hit enter. And once again, you can press OK and apply, and you can test to see if that's now fixed your download speeds. If you're still experiencing a slow download speed, you can come back over to the Advanced tab, come back over to DNS, and we're just going to get rid of these two DNS servers here, and instead we're going to press the plus icon, and this time type in 1.1.1.1 and hit enter. And for the second one, you need to type in 1.0.0.1 and hit enter. Then press OK and press apply. And once again, you can test your download speeds to see if that's now solved the issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you improve your download speeds on your Mac. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.